Yes, Kenzie, you want to take a shower? Oh, yeah, it looks lovely. Oh, it's so nice. So nice to be in the water. Oh, I just love the water. Sweet boy. I love it. I love it. Yes. I can make this shower my own. I like the little puddles. I like how it makes me feel so clean. Yes. Yes. This water makes me so happy. Ooh, so happy.